Hello all. In this video, we will see how to use a shortcut keys in Excel using Control key. So I have jotted down all these 25 shortcuts and we'll go one by one. So first is Control A. So by using Control A, you can select table, all the data in a table at one go. So I'm just putting my cursor here and I'm pressing Control A. So wherever I have the data, it will get selected by using Control A is select all. And second is Control B. If I press Control B, it will does a bold to a text, as you can see. Next is Control C. It acts as a copy. So if I have to copy any of the cell or many cell values, I can use copy. Okay, then next is Control D. So Control D copies the above cell value or formula. So in case if I go on the last and I press Control D, it will automatically copy the above cell value. I mean again press Control D. Okay, then is Control F. In case if you want to find anything in an Excel workbook, you can directly press Control F and you can find, for example, bold and then find. So it will automatically select the find what value in the Excel workbook. Next is Control G. In case if you press Control G, it will ask for a reference. It is for go to. If you want to go to the cell number A200 and click OK. So it will the cursor will select the A200. So if I again press and say A1, it will take me to the A1. Now the A1 cell has been selected. So this is how we can use go to. Then replace, which is Control H. In case I want to replace any particular value with another. So in case I am just replacing find what bold and say unbold, and I am saying replace. Okay, right. So now we have done that. So now it is unbold, you can see. Next is italic. So in case if you press Control I, it, as you can see, it has changed into italic. Next is Control K. So if you want to insert any hyperlink, you can press Control K. Now you can add, for example, any and say OK. And now you can see there is a hyperlink added to this. And then there is Control L. By using Control L, you can create a table. I'm pressing Control L. What it will do, it will select the overall data in the table and it will ask to create a table. Next is Control N. So it will create a new workbook. Control O, it will open the workbook. For Control N first, I'm just pressing Control N. Now it has opened a new workbook. Okay, and then Control O, it will ask to open the workbook in our desktop or laptop. Control P is for paste. I'm pressing Control C and I'm now seeing Control V. So if I just copy and Control V, so it will paste the value what I have copied. So that is Control V. And then Q is, if I press Control Q, it should be on the last of the table. It will select all with the formatting. Okay, and then Control R is for copy the left value or cell or formula. In case I press Control R, now you can see it has copy pasted on the left